Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sundays unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 82. Select the correct statement about biodiversity. Large-scale planting of Bt cotton has no adverse effect on biodiversity. Western Ghats have a very high degree of species richness and endemism. Conservation of biodiversity is just a fad pursued by developed countries. Desert areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat have very high level of desert species as well as numerous rare animals. Correct answer is option 2. Western Ghats have very high degree of species richness and endemism. Question number 98. For any breeding experiment to be successful, breeding should be carried out for how many generations? 4 to 6, 2 to 4, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. The correct answer is option A, for at least 4 to 6 generations. Question number 75. Read the following four statements. Colostrum recommended for newborn because it is rich in antigen. Chikungunya caused by gram-negative bacteria. Tissue culture has proved useful in obtaining virus-free plant. Beer manufactured by distillation of fermented grape juice. How many of the above statements are incorrect? Are wrong? So the answer is option 1, that is 3 of the above statements are wrong. Only statement C, tissue culture has proved useful in obtaining virus-free plants, is correct. Question number 56. An improved variety of transgenic rice does not require chemical fertilizer and growth hormones, gives high yield and rich in vitamin A, is completely resistant to all insect pests and diseases of paddy, gives high yield but no characteristic atom. The correct answer is option 2, that is gives high yield and is rich in vitamin A. Question number 73. Termination codons are UAA UAG, UGC UAU, UAC GUA or GUA UAC. Correct answer is option A, UAA UAG are the termination codons. Question number 93. Which one of the following hormones, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland? Melanocyte stimulating hormone, anti-diuretic hormone, luteinizing hormone, prolactin. The correct answer is anti-diuretic hormone, other name is vasopressin, synthesized by hypothalamus but stored and secreted by a pituitary gland. Question number 99. The chemical signal that has both endocrine and neural role is calcitonin, epinephrine, cortisol or melatonin. The correct answer is option B, epinephrine. Epinephrine or adrenaline, it is a emergency hormone, plus it also acts a neural role, that is also acts a neurotransmitter in the sympathetic system of our body. Question number 68. What is true about RBC in humans? They carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide, transport 99.5% of oxygen, transport 80% of oxygen only, and rest 20% is transported in dissolved state in the blood plasma. They do not carry carbon dioxide at all. What is true about RBC? The correct answer is option A. They carry about 20 to 25% of carbon dioxide. Question number 79. Electrons from excited chlorophyll molecule or photosystem 2 are accepted first by ferredoxin, cytochrome B, cytochrome F or quinone. The correct answer is option D, quinone. Question number 91. Select the wrong statement. Option A. Mosaic disease of tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by virus. Option B.
Viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. Option C. W.M. Stanley showed viruses could be crystallized. Option D. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Bejernickia. Wrong statement. Select the wrong statement. Answer is option B is wrong. Viroids were not discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. It was discovered by Theo Diner.
Question number 57. Which one of the following categories of animals is correctly described with no single exception in it? Option A. All bony fishes have 4 pair of gills and an operculum on each side. Option B. All sponges are marine and have collared cells. Option C. All mammals are viviparous and possess diaphragm for breathing. Option D. All reptiles possess scales having a 3-chambered heart and are cold-blooded animals. Which one of the following categories of animals are correctly described with no single exception in it? Correct answer is option A. All bony fishes have 4 pair of gills and an operculum on each side. Question number 62. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Option A. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Option B. Chlorella and Spirulina are used as space food. Option C. Mannitol is stored food in Rhodophyceae. Option D. Algin, carrageen are products of algae. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Correct answer is option C is wrong. Mannitol is stored food product in Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae, and not Rhodophyceae. Question number 71. Circulatory system is present in option A. Ascalhelminthes, option B. Annelida, option C. Coelentrates, or option D. Platyhelminthes. Circulatory system is present in. Correct answer is option B, annelid. From annelid onwards, every phylum has a circulatory system. Question number 80. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in option A. Protista, option B. Fungus, option C. Archaea, option D. Monera. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in. Correct answer is option A. Protista. Question number 97. The scientific names for plants is based on principles and criteria given in option A. ICPN, option B. ICZN, option C. IPZN, option D. IPBN. Scientific name of plants is based on principles and criteria given in. The correct answer is option A. ICBN. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.